Let me show you how to set up, pair and also use your Huawei Band 11 and also 11 Pro with any iPhone. So yep, what's cool, we can use this watch not only with Android phones but also iPhones. So to do that, first simply head to your App Store and search for the Huawei Health app and make sure to download it. Then also let's turn on our watch, so simply press and hold the power button for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. So see it turns on. Let's wait a bit. Okay. So I guess we can open up the app over here. Yeah. So choose the language. And then, yeah. Okay. So let's go to our phone. Click country. Next. Agree to the terms here. If you want notifications, yep, let's allow it, I guess. And then you want to simply go in the devices tab here and click add device. And also you will need to create a Huawei ID, or also you can log in as well here. Okay, so once you log in, you might see such screen as well. So you can also go and sync your Apple Health access as well. So this is very useful. So make sure to allow this. Okay. Yep, agree to the stuff. Yes, okay. Yeah, okay. See a bunch of pop-ups. And again, let's simply click on the device again and then click on the device here. Yep, allow to be found. Okay, and you see if you can click connect now. Yep. Confirms the pairing request. Yep. Allow. I see lots of stuff to agree to. Okay. Updates if you also want to, or you can skip this, and you see finally we are done. Also I see it will give you like a quick intro on how to also use the watch. Then for example, yeah, if you go back, so you see in the health tab you can see, okay, let's deny that for the moment. So you see you can see your stuff here. So once you start using it, basically these fields will become basically filled with data. Also you can, for example, add some more stuff here, remove what you do not want. And also if you click on the device here, click on the device here, as you can also customize it, basically everything here. For example, enable some of the health features or disable them. Also make sure to enable the notifications for which apps you want to receive here. And then also lastly, we can also send over some watch face as well to our watch. We're going to check out the watch a bit later, so I'll show you the app first. So you see, for example, we have tons of different watch face. For example, click this and you can send over the watch face, for example. So you see it gets installed right on your watch. So, and also let's quickly explore our watch and what we actually get on it. So first, if you swipe up, you can get access to all your notifications. If you swipe down, you can get access to your quick panel. So for example, you see, you can quickly, for example, change some settings, turn on the sleep mode, or access again some settings. For example, we can go here to enable or disable the always on display, raise to wake, brightness. I see pretty much everything. And this button basically returns to the home at any time, or also if you are already at the home, if you click it, it also will launch all your apps list. Also, if you scroll all the way down, you can click this list view instead if you want to see this in list view. So I think this is better. Also, we can even arrange the order of these as well. So you see, if you click and hold on it, you can kind of drag this maybe perhaps somewhere here. So you see, you can kind of like rearrange it. When it comes to features, so you see this watch is absolutely loaded to the brim. Okay, if you swipe like this, as you can also, for example, check your schedule here. Okay, also like weather, information for today and next days. Also, like, we can control music here as well, and if you swipe like this, you can get access to a bunch of tiles you have. For example, your heart rate tile. So first, go over here and agree to this stuff. Again, a lot of agreeing to a bunch of stuff. So see, yeah, if I place my finger on it, it should detect my heart rate, hopefully. When it comes to heart rate accuracy, I find this watch absolutely brilliant. And in fact, it easily matches my Apple Watch when it comes to accuracy. So it's so incredibly good. So you definitely need to wear it. So it, I guess, simply can't fetch from fingers that well. But yeah, accuracy is very good. Also, step counter accuracy also is absolutely excellent. So I have been using it now for almost 2 weeks. And yeah, absolutely great watch. Also, I see, for example, you can go here to start the workouts. But again, you have to agree to this stuff the first time you launch this. And also, yep, this, for example, the Band 11 Pro version actually has got also internal GPS. So you can basically track activities even if you do not have your phone in range. So you see, it even connected indoors. So how cool is this? So again, the GPS also is very good. And literally pretty much just as good as also on my Apple Watch. So literally for like $50 or $60 this watch costs. Really, in my opinion, it's even better than the Apple Watch, since again the battery life is insane on this thing. It literally lasts, if you play around with settings, almost like 2 weeks on a single charge. And also we can, for example, like remove some of these widgets as well. Okay, so you see, for example, if you go on the trash can, you, for example, can also remove some of the stuff you do not want. And also we have a bunch of more other stuff that we can add. So click and hold, press this plus, and you see you have different tiles here. For example, okay, you can see your resting heart rate, HRV here, training, status readiness. I mean, this watch is absolutely loaded to the brim, so I'll simply explore the features. I mean, yeah, it's really the most advanced at this type of smartwatch series. And again, in my opinion, much better actually than the Apple Watch as well. Okay, good luck.